All right, I'm back. I've been gone for a while. I got kind of busy. Here's what I've been working on. I've been trying to get the curve to match the mouse movements pretty exactly. Now, I have an algorithm for that. However, the mouse points sometimes are a large distance between them. I'll show you here. So if I scribble like this or something, you can see that white line. Let me just do something like that so you can see it. Okay, here's the white line. These are the actual mouse points. Here's the curve that's drawn. And the reason why it's off by a little bit is because sometimes the distance between the points, see the mouse moves, and then mouse move triggers every couple milliseconds. But sometimes you move 10 pixels in that little amount of time. So that error adds up over time. If it was every single pixel, if it updated every single pixel, it'd match exactly. But because it's not weighted properly, it ends up like this where they don't match exactly. But it also keeps it in a nice kind of curve. But if you look over here, you see this little area here where these two lines don't match up. That's only because of that error. So I'm trying to eliminate that problem. So if we open this up, I do have a way to do this. You just add in, okay, you add in, Control Z. You add in the number of points that the distance misses. So for every point in distance, you add a new mouse point at that place. And this kind of works, but it has an issue. And that is, so let's refresh. I'll just hit F5. The issue is if I, let's see, do a squiggly line or something, it does perfectly match, but it's not a smooth curve. Like you can see, it's sort of like messy, but it does match it. So it is solved, and I can increase the segment frequency so it doesn't match it as perfectly. You can see now, see, it doesn't match it perfectly. It's still more curved. So maybe I just need to tune that. But then you still have the same issue where there's these little bumps in the curve that aren't smooth. So I've been kind of working on that algorithm. I got pretty busy, so I didn't get as much done as I wanted, but I'm working on an algorithm to keep it smooth, but not have these little bumps that make it look messy. I also added a thing where you can delete the different paths. You can see delete, delete, which is nice, but I need to expand it more. I need it to show you which one you're deleting when you hover over it, this sort of thing, like little highlights. But I am working on it. I didn't go anywhere. I know I was gone for like 2 months or something, but I just got busy. So yeah, I wanted to make this video to let everyone know what I'm working on. I'm not sure whether to keep this sort of messy look, which this isn't that bad when you have, I mean, you can kind of still see it where I'm doing like this. It's not that bad when you have segment frequency turned all the way up. But when it's like lower, it's very messy. It's not terrible though. Anyways, just wanted to let you know what I'm up to. That's going to be the end of this video.